This bacon mozzarella potato cake will make your taste buds jump. It's savory, rich, and delicious. If you want to know how I made it, keep watching. I start by boiling 2 pounds of potatoes. I put them in a pan, I cover them with water, and I put them on the stove. While the potatoes are boiling, I cook some bacon on medium heat and I make it nice and crispy. When the bacon is ready, I remove it from the stove and I put it on a plate with some paper towel to absorb the excess of fat. When the potatoes are done, I drain them and then I shred them with a potato ricer. I add 1 teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 3/4 cup of Romano cheese and 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now I mix all the ingredients together until they are nice and combined. When everything is mixed together, I will set the bowl momentarily aside. For the filling, I am using 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And I'm using the mozzarella for the pizza because it's less watery, so it releases less milk. It's time to assemble the dish. Here I am using a 9 inches glass pan. I start by laying flat the potato mixture to create the base, covering the edges too. Then I like the filling on top of it. First with the mozzarella cheese, which I had to cut in half to fit the surface, and then I crumble the bacon. As a final step, I use the leftover potato mixture to create a top. Then on the top, I add some mozzarella strips and some Parmesan cheese. This will create a very nice and crispy crust. Then I'm gonna cook it at 390 for 20 minutes. Here is my final result. Crispy, rich and gooey. Thank you so much for watching.